Bulk creation is now available on our platform. This allows you to create multiple PCDS documents using a simple Excel spreadsheet. Looking at the left-hand side panel, you'll find this new feature under Manage Your PCDS, and then clicking on Bulk Creation and Import. You first have to download the Excel template. For this, you will go into the first section here and select the template you want, being here the PCDS full all statements, and then clicking on the download button. Opening the spreadsheet, the first thing you notice in the bottom left corner are the two tabs. The first one is the template, and the second one is an instructions tab. It contains information like do's and don'ts, as well as instructions on how to upload the file back onto the platform once you've completed it. Looking at the templates, you'll see grayed out fields. These are the columns that will be pre-populated with information already on the platform and cannot be populated here. Just focus on the blank fields to complete this spreadsheet. Each row is to be looked at separately for each PCDS, which means that if you're going to be adding your first PCDS, you're looking at row 4, and your second PCDS information will be entered into row 5. As you can see here, there's different types of cells. The first one here is the dropdown. We're looking at the access here in particular, if it's going to be public or private. For this example, I'll select public for the first one, public for the second one, and we'll go with private for the third one. And then you scroll to the right, we come to our second type here, which is a text. This is in section 2, which is the only section that has text fields. We'll enter our product name here, product ABC, DEF, GHI. You'll notice that some questions have an asterisk. This means that the question is mandatory. If it doesn't have it, it means the question is optional. Bearing in mind that these questions are exactly the same as you'd find in the platform and in the PCDS. Going to our little drop-down menu and selecting the correct answer. You can also, if you don't want to select it, using that drop-down, start typing your answer, which will then populate the information here. The final one is a true-false, which here again, clicking on the cell, opening the drop down and selecting the answer. If you want a shortcut, you can type T for true or F for false. We can now come back to the platform to upload our completed spreadsheet. To do so, we go to Manage Your PCDS and then click on Bulk Creation and Import. This is where we first downloaded the template at the start. So just go one below here, click on Upload, select the file that we just completed. If you're filling this out for a supplier, you can select the supplier name here. In this instance, we'll just use ourselves. You have a toggle here. Auto submit will get your PCDSs submitted right away. If you don't select this option, they will be uploaded as drafts, and so you can go back into them to make changes. What we'll do is we'll just auto submit at this stage. Proceed. You'll see the 3 products that we have are creation ready, and we're happy with that. And we'll just say create and submit the PCDS. So the 3 documents have been created, and we can see that here in our list. You've got product ABC, DEF, and GHI, all 3 submitted and good to go.